Hey guys, it's yours truly back with another project update video. This video is going to be on mostly my RS4MAC's, which I actually just completed tonight on January 10th, 2023. It is now 11 p.m. and let's get started. So you guys have seen these units over the last couple of years, probably longer than that, and you saw them in very different states of building. So this unit is very nostalgic because this one is actually the very first locomotive I ever purchased on eBay, and that was back in 2010, guys. So yeah, I've had this engine 13 years, and I bought it on eBay as a chop nose, but I had to redo the chop nose because it was bad. Then I decided to convert it to the RS4MAC, which, is basically an upgraded version of the RS3M, but it has AC traction. So as you can see here, this one is the prototype, and the one back here is the production model. The decals are from Circuit City Decals. My buddy Matt, thank you again for the awesome decals. I designed them in Microsoft Paint, and then I send him the pictures, and then he sizes them up accordingly to the models. I did all the detail work, the horns, the antennas, all the body work I did. Tamiya Paints, all by me. I did all the painting and everything. So this is French blue. This was semi-gloss black, but when you use flat clear, it actually tones it down. So that's good. The frame seal here actually came from this donor RS3, because the original one I had on here was crap. So, and then Keystone logos on both. A little bit different than what I originally had in my drawings, but it's okay. And you're probably wondering why there's no numbers on the side here. It's because I forgot to put them on. Yeah, when I was decaling this one last night, I didn't realize I didn't put the numbers on the side of the cab until today, and I was like, you know what, I'll just leave them off for now. It's not really that big of a deal if I don't have them on there because there are already numbers on it anyway. Just change things up a bit, keep the units a lot different. Another project that I wanted to get into just briefly, even though it's about these engines here, you guys saw my video on the Rapido E8, and I actually decaled it for the ER&W. So this is the first ER&W Heritage passenger engine. So this engine will be used on, like, employee executives, business trains, the Christmas train, obviously. This is one of the units that I'll be using on my Christmas train when I finish it. But yeah, that's my first Rapido E8. It's a great locomotive. Highly recommend getting one, guys. They are bringing out the HEP ones this year, or sometime this year, so I will be getting one of those because this one has the steam generator details. But I could say it has HEP, but they disguised it as steam generator details. But I'm running out of space, so I'll cut the video off